Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Gung Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste. I welcome you all to today's topic. Today we are going to talk on Hatha Yoga Pradipika Chapter 1, verse number 14. In verse number 14, Swami Svatmaram said that Evam Vidhe Mathe Sthitva Sarva Chinta Vivarjitaha Guru Upadishta Margenam Yoga Meva Samavyasat. Evam Vidhe Mathe Sthitva. In chapter 1, verse number 13. The previous video talked about Yoga Kutiya, Sadhana Kutiya, or Yoga Hermitage. Sarva Chinta Vivarjitaha. Here Swami Svatmaram says that a sadhak needed to keep himself or herself relaxed and stable. A sadhak should be free from all kind of distractions and all kind of modifications of the mind during his sadhana time or during the practice. The natural tendency of the mind is dualism. It moves one object to the another object very fast, like a wild monkey, move here and there. For a yoga sadhaka or a yoga practitioner, it's very important to keep himself or herself relaxed and stable. In Yoga Sutra Patanjali says that Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Yoga is the control of the mind from all kinds of thoughts or all kinds of afflictions. Here, Swami Svatmaram says that when a sadhak practices the yogic techniques or the yogic methods, the sadhak need to keep his mind calm and relaxed. In same time, no worries about the social and the individual issues or problems in his life. Guru Upadishta Margena. The sadhak, the yoga practitioner, need to follow the teaching methods of his master or guru. This is one of the most important point in this textbook. If you look or read any other textbook of yoga, all the textbooks says that follow teachings the master, or go to a master, learn the yogic techniques from his guidance. A yoga instructor or a yoga teacher is very, very different than a yoga guru. The word guru is a beautiful word. The word guru is the combination of two words, go and a ru. The word go, it means darkness. The word ru, it means light. Guru is the person, or is the energy field, who can take his disciple to his student from the darkness to the light. Here, the darkness, it means ignorance, light means knowledge. A guru takes his disciple from the ignorance to the knowledge. Many textbooks say that without practicing or guru seva, a sadhaka cannot get the higher state of consciousness. For that reason, a sadhaka needs to find a guru that he can learn from him, and he take himself from the base of the practice to reach to the samadhi. During the practice of yoga, many times a sadhaka or a shishya get some difficulties during his practices. Some subtle practices the student cannot understand. During that time, the guru help to that student or to the sadhaka overcome from that problem. Because of that, all the yoga sadhaks, those are want to reach the higher state of the consciousness, they need to find a guru that he can guide him to reach the higher state of the consciousness during his practices. Namaste. Thank you everyone.